Hey you guys, welcome to our week of social and political philosophy. This is going to be divided into uh, at least a 2 week segment. We're going to do social and political philosophy over more than one section. This first section is to give you enough time to read the chapter and then watch a movie that's sort of applicable um, to social and political philosophy, and then you'll write a journal on it. So it's going to be short, but that shortened time is to give you enough time to read chapter 8. All right, here we go. Number one, you're going to watch the introductory video and read chapter 8. Chapter 8 is not necessarily longer than other chapters, but it's a little more difficult to understand. It's a little more difficult to get through, so I'm affording you a little more time to do that this week. Your quiz on it will be next week. Task number 2, you're going to watch the social and political philosophy overview. I talk about social contract theory and a couple of criticisms of it, notably its historical inaccuracies and also some modern feminist critiques of it, which are spot on. Task number 3 will be to watch the Park Avenue documentary, and that will be applicable to resource distribution and opportunity distribution in a society. Be forewarned, this is a documentary that would be characterized as liberal. So if you are liberal, you're going to love it. If you are conservative, you're going to feel like that maybe it talks about, sort of poor me kind of thing. Just be aware of your confirmation bias. If you're enthusiastic about it to begin with, you're more likely to accept any evidence presented. So be mindful of that. Be a critical thinker and realize, well, maybe I need more information for this, or more evidence for this, or look at this in a more critical way. If you're conservative and you're reading it or watching it, try to be mindful of that as well and feel like, is there something here that I can draw from or understand in a new way without rejecting it out of hand? Again, remember, motivated reasoning of that kind is absolutely inseparable from being a person. So it doesn't mean that you're right or wrong, it just means that you have different tendencies, and as a critical thinker you need to be aware of them. So do that while you're watching the social and political philosophy documentary, and that is task number 3. Then task number 4, you are going to write your journal on the documentary and just remark a little bit on any political bias you see in it. Okay, I look forward to seeing you guys and grading your journals. The papers are coming along well. Some of them are really, really good, by the way. Some are a little more hashed and thrown together. I hope to get those back to you guys next week. That's my goal. Okay, take care, and if you guys have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to email me. Okay, I think I'm through the worst of my cold, and I hope you guys have a great week, and I hope you had a fantastic Halloween, and I'll talk to you soon.